Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will be moving on to the next topic beta, that will be physiological features of the phylum which we were earlier doing, that is Coelenterata, right? So beta, Coelenterata, as you all know, it is already known as Cnidaria also, right? Now we have done two videos on this topic, Coelenterata. In one video we have done the general characteristics, in the second video we have done many small points we have covered about the phylum, like the metagenesis, like the two forms in which the coelentrates exist, as well as the neuroblast cells. Right? Now we will move on with the features, physiological features like we did in Porifera. Similarly, we will be following the same pattern here, and we will be studying the features about the Coelenterata phylum. Right? So first we will begin with digestion. Right? So in beta Porifera, you studied that only the cells are present there. Right? So the digestion there which is happening is only intracellular digestion. That means the food comes inside the body and directly goes inside the cells where the digestion is taking place. Fine? But here what will happen beta? You will say that here the digestive system is incomplete, and both extracellular digestion and intracellular digestion, both the digestive systems are present. That means both of them can take place inside their bodies. Fine? Then respiratory system is absent, circulatory system absent, and excretory system is again absent. So how are these three processes taking place beta? So these three processes, they take place with the help of diffusion. Diffusion is the process with the help of which these three processes will take place. Right? Next, we will come to the nervous system beta. So, apolar neurons. Apolar neurons means what? Apolar means they just have the cell body. They do not have any axon. No axon present, no dendrites present, and nothing is present. Just the cell body is present. This portion is present. Fine? So, due to the presence of this portion, they are known as the apolar neuron. Fine? बहुत सारे टाइप के न्यूरॉन्स होते हैं बेटा. The multipolar neurons, right? So the dipolar neurons, in which on both the sides the cell bodies as well as the cell bodies present in between, axons extend from two portions, and at the end nerve endings are also present, right? Many types of neurons are there, but in this Coelenterata only apolar neurons are present, and nervous system is not very well developed. Instead of that, the nerves, they are present in a defined network, right? The neurons, they are present in the defined network. Okay, so a neuronal network is present inside their bodies. Fine. So the nervous system is not very well developed. What kind of neurons are present? You will say apolar neurons are present, which just have the cell body. They do not have any axon, they do not have any dendrites. Fine. And a nervous network is present inside their body, in which the neurons, they are grouped together and they are formed inside a network. Fine. Then reproduction beta. Reproduction, you will say that it has both unisexual and bisexual, and it can also have sexual and asexual. Like you have seen in the previous video, both polyform and medusa form for conversion. What happens beta? They can either perform sexual method, or they can also perform asexual method for converting themselves from polyp to medusa or from medusa to polyp. Okay. Then fertilization can be external, can be internal. Development again can be direct and indirect. And beta sensory structures are present here. Okay. So tentacles are present in them to protect them from their prey. Okay. So tentacles are present from their enemies to hold the prey, right? Not to protect them from the prey, to hold the prey and protect them from their enemies. So the two functions of tentacles are present. Now statocyst is present only in which form beta? Medusa form, because it is free swimming form. Okay, so the free swimming form will have statocyst, which is helping in maintaining the balance. Okay, this is a balancing structure. What is statocyst beta? It is the balancing structure that helps in the medusa forms for balancing themselves inside the water. Right? Tentacles are present for both protecting themselves and catching hold of the prey, and statocyst is present as a balancing structure. Now next beta, examples. So examples I have written, first one is Physalia, that is also known as the Portuguese man of war. Next one is Adamsia, sea anemone. And now there are multiple examples beta. Okay, Gorgonia. Okay, I am writing here Gorgonia, also known as sea fan. Gorgonia, sea fan. Very, very important. Please note down each and every example. It is super important. Right? Then comes Obelia, Aurelia, Hydra. Obelia, Aurelia, Hydra. Okay, Obelia, Aurelia, Hydra, Gorgonia, Adamsia, Phylacia, then Pentula and Mencarandina, that is the brain coral. Hydra is also called a freshwater polyp. Aurelia is known as a jellyfish. Obelia is known as a sea fur. So these are the various examples beta which you have to learn and memorize, and these are the various points which also have to be on your tips. Okay, from your exam point of view, this is very important to learn them by your heart. Okay, no need to cram them, you can easily learn them. If you know the phylum, if you know the sequence, you can easily define them. Right? So in the next video beta, we'll move on to the next phylum. Right? Until then, any doubt, any questions regarding this topic or any topics we have done so far, you can put down in the comment section and I'll be happy to help. So see you then beta in the next video. Until then, take care and stay tuned, and make sure you are subscribing to my channel, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and beta share this video as much as possible. Fine? So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.